seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
On divine mandate, because God wants you to be focused. God always begins with light. When light comes, everything else shifts out. Yeah, everything else shifts out. So my instruction is this: write out all your major pursuits and ask which of these are divine assignments of mandate and which are carnal desires that brings distraction. Talking about practical ways to resolve, to chase out confusion. Somebody, you have 5, 6, 10 burning things on your plate right now. Without emotional biases, if you pray and ask God, which of these should actually take 80% of my energy right now? Where should I be?
I don't know who invented this, but whoever invented this did a very good job. So I got this BSKY multi-purpose. I was actually trying to cut down costs, and when I went to the mall, I saw this. This is BSK multi-purpose liquid wash. It has this sweet lemon. See, it's written on it, sweet lemon. Is 1 liter. This is 1 liter. and this is my first time using it. It has this sweet lemon fragrance, and it's 1 liter, and it's worth the buy. I was buying, this was the one I was using. This was the one I was using. This is the one I was using, but I was trying to cut down cost. So when I saw this, the lady in the store actually recommended it for me. When I saw this, I was very skeptical about it, but then it's really worth my money, because this is going to last long. Like, the difference is clear. It's actually very big. This one is about 1000 ml, which it's good too, but then for the price, this is very good. This is very, 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 very good, if I must say. Very, very good. I recommend 100%. It's more affordable. It's a lot more affordable than this, but it depends on your reference. But whoever invented this did a very good job. You know how a lime smells, right? It has this sweet lemon, you know how lemon zest smells. I recommend 100%. On my way from church, I got this. This is sponge. I just made one. This is sponge for washing my clothes. It's Wise Wash. It's a scoring pad used in washing plates, pots. So I use it. I just use it right now to wash my frying pan, and it does the job.